The factory is predictably holding the power numbers close to the vest until release, but it claims the mill grinds at more top-end power with no drop in torque. For comparison, last year's model claimed 13.3 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 10.3 pounds of grunt at 5 grand. Taking it at face value, the new PCX150 rolls with more power and less weight, so you can expect it to be even more fun to ride. You may be surprised to learn that even though it produces more power, it actually leaves 4cc on the table for a total of 149cc, down from 153cc. That's progress, folks. Emissions were slashed as well, and the cylinder design runs with spines that reach into the jug to help stabilize the bore and reduce blow and the concurrent power losses that come along with it. There are a number of considerable improvements on this ride, but the factory only tacked a single Benjamin onto the tally for its trouble. The base model PCX150 rolls for $3,699, and if you fancy the ABS feature new for 2019, you'll have to shuck out another $3 for the $3,999 sticker.